Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a very big Cherryz haul. In the past I have worked with Cherryz, but this haul here, this box, and there's one on the floor as well, is not an ad. I have just shopped with them because I like them. I think they're a great company and they have great products. And they're very, very good at their delivery service and things like that. So anyway, I just wanted to clear that up in case people thought this was an ad. It's not an ad, but I just want to share with you everything I bought from Cherryz because, like I said, I bought a lot. This is one of 2 boxes here because I went a bit mad. I wanted some Christmas things, and so I went on the Cherryz website or app, and I just, before I knew it, I think I spent £60. Yeah, it's a lot of stuff, but I couldn't help myself. So let's just get straight into it because otherwise we'll be here a while. This one's a heavy one. I think this has got all the cleaning stuff in. I'll just say, the main reason I went to Cherryz because I needed to buy some bleach and some mold and mildew remover, you know, the Astonish one. That's all I needed, or I say wanted. And then before I knew it, I had a lot more things in my basket. Can you open, please? So the first thing in my box is dryer balls. These apparently will cut my drying time in my tumble dryer by up to 25%. So that's exciting to try. Obviously, cost of living crisis, using a tumble dryer is not ideal. But then because it's freezing cold outside and nothing dries outside on the line, I don't really want my clothes hung all over the house on every single radiator when you can turn your heating on to hopefully dry it. So yeah, fingers crossed that these actually work. We'll give it a go. And the next thing I bought is this hair band. So obviously I use this to keep my hair out of my face when I'm putting my makeup on or taking my makeup off. Completely unnecessary as I have one similar to this already, which is perfectly usable. But I saw it and I wanted it, so I bought it. Next thing, what I came here for. So I only bought 2 of them. I thought I bought, no I did. I bought 3 of them. Mold and mildew blasters. Obviously again, cost of living means you can't have your heating on as much anymore, which means the condensation on my windows in my house in the morning is ridiculous. And so with that, obviously I wipe them down every day, but I can see they're starting to get like mold growing, like, you know, like black mold growing where dampness is just lingering about. And so I'm gonna get this mold and mildew blaster to work ASAP. I've seen a hack on TikTok where you spray this onto cotton wool or tissue and you just leave it on the affected mold areas, and then you leave it there for like 10 to 15 minutes and you wipe it away, and so and it gets rid of all the mold, so less scrubbing action needed. Another very exciting purchase is I've got some lime scale remover. You need that for your kettle. And then again, something I didn't really need but I wanted it, a microwave cleaner. So you add vinegar and water, you microwave it for 6 minutes, and then I think the steam comes out of his head and cleans your microwave, then you wipe everything away. I've seen people talk about these online and I think they do work quite well, so thought we'd give it a go. I'm pretty certain I bought 1 of these. I'll have to look and see. Tile and grout super scrubber. Again, so again on the same breath as the black mold I can see growing in our bathroom, again where dampness is lingering. Although we do squeegee our shower every time we use it, I can just see that like some of the grout is starting to go a little bit discoloured, and before it goes into full-blown gross mold, I'm going to start attacking it with this. I mean, I definitely could be using more abrasive cleaners on it, maybe that's the issue. But anyway, I'm going to be using this. Why have I got 2 though? I definitely didn't order 2. I'll have to check. Oh well, no harm, is it? And apparently it makes tiles and grouts look like new. Reusable sponge cleaner, helps remove black spots and lime scale. Bleach! I bought 4 of these. 1 leaking, this one's leaking. Ah! I also got the pink stuff, the Miracle Foam Cleaner. Love this stuff. The pink stuff is incredible. I highly recommend. I really like, they're like paste in a pot that you can get as well, but obviously this is a little bit easier to use. You just spray and go. The pot involves a little more elbow grease, but yeah, and it's vegan, always a winner. 2 things of dishwasher rinse aid. I wish there was like an alternative to this. I've googled it, but I don't know what this does, and I wish I was like I could use like something like vinegar or something just so I don't have to keep on buying it. I feel like it's such a stupid thing to buy. I have no idea what it actually does in the dishwasher, so I feel like it's like a con that if you don't have it, your dishwasher probably works absolutely fine, but it won't stop annoying you to say that you need to refill the rinse aid. So obviously I feel like I'm endlessly buying rinse aids. I don't know what it does, and I wish there was something else I could use. 2 more cleaning things in this box. We've got some cream cleaner with bleach and some elbow grease. As you can tell, we were running low on cleaning products. That's why I've stocked up. Astonish is my favourite cleaning brand, and elbow grease. If you haven't tried elbow grease, you need to get on and try it. It is one of the best products ever. It cleans everything. If you have a stain in your clothes, elbow grease will get it out. Obviously, tough stains on your kitchen counters, sinks, ovens, anything, elbow grease will get rid of it. I don't know what this is, but it works on everything. So highly recommend elbow grease. And then the biscuits in here. Dun-dun-dun. 5 packs of wafers. Pink Panther pink wafers. These wafers are recently vegan and they are delicious. Obviously pink wafers are incredible, and usually they have milk in, but these ones don't. So I stocked up because I love me a wafer. That's box 1 done. Now box 2, I can't remember what I ordered. I feel like none of this stuff is Christmassy. I thought I ordered Christmas stuff. So the first thing from this box is a drying mat. How exciting. Highly recommend these. We have one already, but I just wanted to get another one as well for when that one is in the wash. We use them for when we're defrosting foods. We can leave it on our kitchen counter or in the fridge with this underneath instead of leaving it in the sink and it taking up like annoying space in the sink when you're drying stuff. So drying mats. Christmas stuff, here we go. I've got some coasters. These are wooden coasters. Oh, cute. So they have a little like house scene at the front, and then they've just got wooden, oh, the nails are like chimneys. How sweet is that? And then we've got like a Merry Christmas one, Joy to the World. These are really nice actually. For like a discount, oh, can't get out. For a discount like shop, oh, they're actually very nice. A little reindeer, or is that an, well, I'm gonna say it's a reindeer. Reindeer Merry Christmas and a Merry and Bright one. Very nice. I don't know how much these were, but they wouldn't have been very expensive. I really like the little holder they come in. That's really sweet. Oh, that's really nice. Oh, 2 more cleaning things. Wipe. Oh no, it's broken. It's broken. It's okay. We've got plenty of those things. So we have a casualty. The spray nozzle is broken, but it doesn't matter. It's just a spray nozzle. You can replace it. So I've got 2 bottles of white vinegar spray. I've never actually used this before, but so many things say they need like white vinegar to clean it. And when I've used white vinegar, real vinegar in the past, it stinks. So I'm not sure if this is going to smell like vinegar or something else. Let's have a scent. Let's have a sniff. Please don't just smell like vinegar. Whoa, that stinks. That smells worse than vinegar. What on earth is that? Ingredients, white vinegar. Well, it doesn't smell better than white vinegar. No more cleaning products, great. Oh no, another casualty. Oh no, now I'm bummed out. So I bought these little ballet dancer ornaments, but one's lost her legs. Oh, I'm gonna have to email them about that. I can't be having that. That's, oh, how annoying. I like them. My son does ballet. I thought it'd be quite nice little Christmas tree ornaments, but Madam here has lost her legs, so that's a big shame. So I'll have to email them and say, give my money back. I mean, I think they probably cost about like £1.50. Not like they cost a load of money, but even so. What a shame. See if we can find her legs in the packet. Aha! Found them. Oh no, a foot snapped off as well. That's just a catastrophe all round. Paracetamol, boring. My husband's favourite things, lemon puff biscuits. These are horrible. I don't know why he likes them. They're like dry crackers with like a lemon filling. Ugh, they're gross, but my husband really likes them and they're usually quite cheap. I think it's usually like 2 for £1. So I got them for him. I can guarantee these will be gone in, all 4 packs will be gone in like a week because he just can't stop. Maybe I have to hide some. Maybe I can use one as a stocking filler for him. Some fig rolls. Again, not my biscuit of choice, but my husband likes them and so does my son. A stocking filler. These are £1.25 in every shop I've been to, which is absolutely ridiculous because they used to only be £1, but these were £1 on Cherryz. So I bought a tube. Again, it's going to be a stocking stuffer for my husband because he's a big fan of jelly tots and they are vegan. I got these fruit jellies. I mean, I've decided that they're going to be gifts. but I'm a big fan of these type of sweets, so I can guarantee that at least one of these boxes will be consumed by me. But yeah, fruit jellies, I think they're just like, yeah, soft fruit flavoured jellies, lightly dusted in sugar. What's this? Another ornament, hope it's not broken. Oh, okay, so I bought a scene. So we've got a lamppost with a wreath and a barrel and a snow scene. And then I bought, wait for it. Now I have to really hope these aren't broken because I'm going to be devastated. A light up gift shop. These are like, I think £3.50 each. I think two were £3.50, one was £5. I don't know why. A light up bookshop and a light up theatre. Why any of these are Christmassy, I don't know. I don't know why a gift shop is in there. It's very random, but I saw them. And you know they're really expensive in like garden centres and stuff. And so I thought, oh, it's sweet. It's all plastic. Okay, it's good. I'm glad it's plastic, so it's not like... They need batteries in, but oh, that's really nice. You see these in like garden centres, like a little scene with, you know, you get like a Ferris wheel going round and cars buzzing around, and I love them. And so I saw these and was like, I'm going to buy them, even though they're like the most random things. Like, I don't. What's a gift shop when it's, you know, when it's at home? Like who? It's a strange thing. Am I broken? No, it's fine. Yes, it's fine. Oh, I thought it was broken. Then I was about to cry. Collect them all. Mini World collectibles. What other ones are there? Because I will collect them all. I love them. I don't know why they're festive, like I said, but I love them. My pile of stuff just growing here. What else have we got? Oh, something not festive. Some pineapple chunks. The most random stuff in this box. I got two of these raspberry fries, chocolate. These are, please say they're vegan. Now I'm in panic they're not vegan. No. So these, I've never had the raspberry flavour before. I've had the mint ones, which are not very nice. The orange ones are okay, so I'm going to give the raspberry ones a go. I'm hoping they're a bit like strawberry roses that you get, because I love the strawberry filled roses. So, and obviously they're not vegan. So I'm hoping these will be similar. Some Haribo straw thingies. Love these. Final few festive things. We have some pom-poms, just like Christmassy pom-poms, which might make some Christmas crafts, and so we'll use those. Some fake snow, some magic snow, looks like real snow, just add water. Expands up to 100 times the size. That's exciting. I'm sure Ellis, my son, my 3-year-old, will love that. An Elf on the Shelf activity book. Are there stickers in there? Yeah, there are stickers in there. He's a big sticker fan, so we'll love that. If you didn't know, we are not doing the traditional elf on the shelf where they cause mischief. We're doing a kindness elf, but we are ignoring the elves behaving badly in the corner. Thankfully, as my son is 3, he cannot read, so we don't have to worry about the misbehaving elf. But yeah, I thought I'd buy that. And then the final thing, which is one of the most exciting things as well, is a Santa's footprint. How amazing is that? So obviously, with the fake snow or with like flour or something, we can make a little Santa came footprint on Christmas Day. My son, obviously, as he's 3, doesn't quite understand the whole Father Christmas thing yet. He's a little bit confused, a little bit dubious about the whole situation. Obviously it's reusable, so we'll use it every year, and yeah, keep building that magic for Christmas. I'm so excited to use it. I never had this as a kid. My husband said that his dad used to do footprints in the snow. I'm sure they didn't have stencils though. His dad probably just stood in flour on the floor. We could have done that, but I decided to buy a stencil because I like it. So yeah, that's everything. Apart from my one broken ornament, I'm very happy with all my purchases. It's a lot of stuff. Like I say, everything came to I think about £60, including postage, but I don't think it's too bad considering then postage came, I think I literally ordered it on the Friday and it arrived on a Sunday. It arrived on Sunday, yeah, so literally was, you know, very quick turnaround. I love Cherryz. I think they're a great company. As I said, I've worked with them in the past, but this is not an ad. So I do recommend you download the app and give them a check out. I'm very excited to set up my little Christmas scene. Oh, I need to get some batteries. I've lost my lamppost there. Adorable. Oh, got some fries one as well. I did an orange one as well. Didn't even realise. Got an orange one as well as a rasp one. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope this video has been interesting, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.